Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. So this week's video is going to be a new jewellery unboxing that I'm so excited to show you what I've picked up, and I've also got some really lovely pieces from Revolve that I'm going to talk through and show you those pieces as well. The clothes that I've got is some really exciting like bits for spring. Like, I'm so ready for spring fashion now, so I'm going to talk you through the pieces that I've picked up, and I'm also going to show you my new jewellery that I've received from PDPAOLA. I'm so excited to show you these pieces. I've currently got them on now, but I'm also going to show you an unboxing and talk through the pieces. As always, everything I'm going to show you in the video will be linked down below, so you can check everything out down there, and I'll also leave my Instagram and TikTok handles so you can follow me to see how I style up all these pieces on a daily basis. So first, let's get into the jewellery unboxing. So I've kindly been sent some stunning pieces from a brand called PDPAOLA. If you don't know, PDPAOLA is a Barcelona-based jewellery brand. I am so in love with their pieces. They are absolutely gorgeous and amazing quality. And they've also kindly given me a discount code for you guys. So for 15% off, you can use my discount code, which is Olivia15, and I'll leave it on screen as well so you can see what it is. Firstly, I'll talk to you about the initial necklace that I've got on. I'll show you a close-up shot of me unboxing it, and so you can see the detail on it because it is absolutely gorgeous. This letter necklace is actually their best-selling collection, and I'm not surprised. They are just so classic and timeless pieces that are just gonna last you for your life, basically. And they're just so nice to have the personal touch of being able to have your initial on there. So I obviously went for the O for my initial, and I got it in yellow gold. So this is sterling silver, and it is 18 karat gold plated, so the quality is absolutely amazing. And then around the initials it got gemstones, which look absolutely gorgeous, and they catch the light so beautifully. It's just really sort of subtle minimalist jewellery that is so my taste. Like, I would wear this all the time, and I know I'm going to get so much wear out of it. I love it so much. So that is the necklace. The next piece I'm going to show you are these stunning hoops that I've currently got on now. These are the crown hoops, but they also do a huggy version, which is like a smaller one. They look really lovely as well, but I went for the bigger ones just because I don't have anything like this, and I just really love the style of them. I've never seen any earring with this sort of design before. It's just so eye-catching and has that little bit of sparkle. They have clear cubic zirconias encrusted all the way around the hoop, so they catch the light really nicely. These are also sterling silver and 18 karat gold plated, and they also are available in sterling silver if you prefer silver jewellery. I think they look so lovely as like a statement earring by themselves, but equally if you wanted to stack your ear and have like other ones, I don't think it would overpower your ears. I think it would like be a nice mix to have this slight statement earring with other earrings, but equally like you could just wear it by itself. The next hoops that I went for are the king hoops, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They're also cubic zirconia encrusted hoops. You'll see better in the cutaway, but they catch the light so nicely. And I even think that layered with the ones I've got in currently, I think they would look really good. But these are absolutely gorgeous. I feel like these would be really nice easily for a day look, and then you could carry them out in the evening as well because they're not too statement. I feel like they're a really nice balance. I think these would be so lovely with an ear stack as well if you wanted to layer up your ear if you have multiple piercings like me. Again, these are also available in sterling silver and sterling silver 18 karat gold plating, which is what I picked. And then the last earring I got is the Nikita single stud earring, and I've currently got it on here. You'll see better in the cutaway. But you can actually get this as a pair if you wanted to have the two, which would be really lovely, I think, actually. I might end up doing that myself. But it's just such a classic style. It's two studs sort of together, one slightly bigger than the other, and they just look so lovely. It creates this illusion that you've got more of an ear stack than you actually do. So if you didn't have as many ear piercings, it creates that illusion that you've got more, and I think it looks so lovely and classic. This one I also got in the sterling silver 18 karat gold plating, and again you can get it in the sterling silver if that's what you prefer, but for me, like, I got the 18 karat gold plated. And I'm so in love with them. I just feel like it's a really classic look and just is a little bit different to just like a plain stud. So that's why I was drawn to these ones, and I'm so in love with them. I know I'm gonna get so much wear out of them. These are just like a really good one to just throw on as well, I think. Like if you just want like a nice earring in that's simple, but like it's got a little bit more about it than like your normal studs, I feel like this is definitely the one you would go for. And I feel like it goes really nicely with the hoop that I've got in from them as well. It just adds something to it, I think. So the pieces come really lovely packaged in these little boxes. So there's the brand name on there, and inside the box you get these really lovely little canvas pouches. So these I actually love to keep hold of because I think they're really good for when you travel to pop your jewellery in. It just keeps them safe and secure and you don't lose them. And yeah, they're just really handy little thing to have in your bag. So yeah, I absolutely love these. So yeah, I'm absolutely in love with all the pieces that I got from the brand. As you can tell, like they're just really my taste, and I know I'm going to get so much wear out of them. I think the initial necklace is already like my most worn piece. I received these the other day and I've already like not taken this off. I'm so in love with it. I cannot recommend them enough. The quality of the pieces is so stunning, and I think if you're after some new jewellery for yourself or for a loved one, then you definitely need to check out PDPAOLA. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can shop the pieces down there, and I'll leave my discount code on screen again, so it is Olivia15 for 15% off at checkout. So next I'm going to show you the pieces that I picked up from Revolve. I just feel so done with winter fashion now, and like I'm ready for spring and summer. So I've sort of gone a bit not weather appropriate right now, but they'll come into their own when it gets a bit hotter. So I've basically got quite a few sort of summer dresses and stuff. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this really lovely white mini dress. This is from Lovers and Friends on Revolve, and this is just a really simple bodice at the top, just a white ruched style, really like minimal at the top, and then the bottom is like super frilly and really cute and girly, which is not something I wear really at all except for in the summer. And I don't really wear it that much either in the summer, but I feel like I will wear it a little bit more in the summer, wear some like girly styles. It fits really well as well. I've actually already tried this on. I think I got this in a size extra small, yes I did, and it fits perfectly. It's got a little bit of stretch to it, but not much. But yeah, I would just say stick true to your size. I'm a UK size 6, and for me in Revolve I tend to get extra small. I would just say check the size guide and stick true to your size. But yeah, I really think this is going to be so lovely for a holiday, like walking on the beach like in this dress with like a little beach bag and some sandals. I think it looks so cute. So yeah, really love that one, even though I'm not going to be wearing it anytime soon because it's horrible weather at the minute in the UK, but we can dream. Next I've got another white dress, and this is going to do it absolutely no justice holding it up right now because it just looks a mess. But it doesn't make any sense holding it up like this. But this is a really lovely sundress as well. This is from Michelle Costello on Revolve. This again is in a size extra small and it fits really well. It's just not making much sense holding it up like this, but it's basically a long sleeved white ruched dress. So these are the sleeves, like look how stunning those are. It's so boho, and yeah, I do like this sort of thing in the summer. So the reason it looks a bit mental is because it's basically backless, and then the top and the bottom are not connected, like except for at the very front. This is just not doing anything for the dress. I'm not even going to bother right now. You'll see it in the cutaway. But it's basically like this really lovely frilly dress, and then the waistline is elasticated, so it cinches in really nicely and it's really flattering. And then the top is secured by a fastening at the back, which you'll see in the cutaway, where you can tie that and it fits really well. You cannot wear a bra with this though, is the only thing, but for me that's fine. I'm not really too bothered about that. But yeah, I really love this, and again, like for summer holidays or even like a summer day in this country, I would definitely wear something like this. But yeah, it's so nice. I can't wait for the weather to get hot again. Next is a dress that I actually I'm actually not too sure where I'm gonna wear this. It's a bit of a wild card, but it's basically this really fine knit dress. It seems a bit like lace, but it's really finely knit, but it's that sort of style, and I really like it. It's basically like a midi bodycon dress. It is see-through though, but if you wear nude bra and underwear, you can't see it at all, and it just sort of looks like a nude dress. So that's something to bear in mind. And then it's got these really lovely fluted sleeves, which I absolutely love. It looks so stunning on. I just posted this actually on my Instagram and everyone was like saying how nice it is, and I really love it. But I just don't know where I'd wear it. Like it's not really like a beach cover-up because it's like a bodycon dress and it's very fitted. I don't really think you'd wear it for like a beach cover-up, but then equally, would you wear it out and about? Because it's see-through, like I don't know. So I'm not too sure where I'd wear this or like how I'd wear it. But I do really like it. I think it's really lovely and it's very flattering and figure hugging. And this one, the brand is Tula Rose on Revolve, and I'm so in love with this. Again, I got this in my usual size, which is extra small, and it fits perfectly. And then I got a few tops as well, a couple of tops. This one is from Super Down on Revolve. This is absolutely gorgeous. I really love like a backless top or a dress, and this one is a backless top. Oh, you can't even tell. But it's basically like a strap at the top with your arms and then another strap, and you can just fasten these to however tight you want them to make them fit you perfectly. I really like this. This sort of top I would wear with a stick-on bra. I think it is really flattering. I actually also have from this brand a dress version of this in black, and that is really nice. I really love that dress. It fits so well. So that's why I went for the top version. I thought in the summer this, for a jeans and a nice top, or like trousers and a nice top outfit, I thought this would just be so good to have in the wardrobe. But yeah, I really love it. Again, extra small and fits perfectly. But yeah, you can't wear a bra with it, but you could wear a stick-on bra. So if you could get away with that and you don't need too much support, then this one would be a good option for you as well. The other top that I picked up is a style of top that I have seen around like a lot, but I've never actually bought one. This is Super Down as well, and I really love the style of it. I feel like this again on holiday. I tried this on with a white midi skirt and I just felt like I was ready to go abroad. Like I was just ready to be on a beach with a cocktail and chilling. But it's really nice. You can't wear a bra with this again, so that's something to bear in mind. But for me, I found that this was fine without a bra. Again, this is an extra small, and yeah, I really like the style of it, but I don't think I would wear something like this personally in the UK. I feel like this would definitely be like a holiday top for me. Another item that I picked up for holidays is this really cute crochet knit sarong. I don't really have any, so I thought I would get one, and I really like the color of this one. It's a little bit different. A lot of my bikinis are, I think I have one nude bikini, but most of my bikinis are like white, black. What other bikinis do I have? I've got maybe like a couple neutral colors, but generally like this color will go with all of my bikinis. This one I think I got in a size, yeah, I got this in a size small. I can't remember, maybe they didn't have an extra small, but I thought because it's a sarong and you just tie it, like I can just tie it to fit and it's fine. So yeah, this one is from Camilla Colho. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but yeah, I really love this. It's just like a little simple sarong, so you can't really go wrong with something like that. But yeah, I feel like this is going to be so handy to have on holiday and just like in summer in general. Next, I got some really gorgeous strappy heeled sandals from Ray. This brand, I love their shoes. They always come out with stunning shoes and I'm so obsessed with these. They're a very small heel. The reason I got them is because of the small heel actually, because living in a city, I do walk a lot, and wearing really high heels is not really that achievable all the time. I got these in a size 6 because this is this is a US brand and I'm UK sizes, so usually I would go for a size 4. So in American sizing, that is a size 6 and they fit really well. But yeah, if you check the size guide for the shoes, it does tell you what will be your size. And these just go all the way up the legs. They're super strappy on the front, square toe, which I absolutely love. And then lastly, this is not something for summer. This is actually something that I got for now, and I just saw it and I've actually wanted a dress like this for ages, so I had to get it. This is a gorgeous black leather bandeau mini dress, and it is stunning. It is real leather and it is quite pricey, but I just thought, I feel like I'm going to get so much wear out of it, and because all of the stuff I've got from Revolve fits so well, I thought if it fits as good as all the pieces that I usually get from there, it's going to be such a staple in my wardrobe and I'm going to get so much wear out of it. And I have to say it fits really good, but it's just such a classic style and I'm just obsessed. This I also got in a extra small and it fits really well, and the brand is L'Academy. I'm not too sure if I'm saying that right, but I'm really in love with this dress. And now I just need an occasion, I need a night out so I can wear it. But I cannot recommend this enough. It is quite expensive, but because it is real leather, obviously the quality is there and it will last. And that is everything. So well done if you got to the end of the video. I'm so in love with all the pieces that I've shown you today. I cannot be happier. The jewellery in particular, I think, is my favourite. Like, I just absolutely love jewellery and I know these are going to be such staples for me. So yeah, I'm so in love with those, and the clothing is just making me so excited for summer and just hot weather. I hope you enjoyed the video. Everything will be linked down below in the description box so you guys can shop everything down there. My discount code again is Olivia15 for 15% off at PDPAOLA. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, it means so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.